Hey there my loves, thank you so much for watching. So this is another video for Eid ul Fitr and I'm collaborating with Daraj Bangladesh, and this beautiful dress is from Exclusia and my shoes are from Footloose, and I will give the links down below on my description box. So now come to the makeover. So this is kind of dramatic, so you can wear it at evening or night outings. And I have used mostly nude cosmetics in this video. So without further ado, let's see how I did this. So at first you need to prepare your skin by applying moisturizers. Using this nude cosmetics skin perfecting primer, which is really good for your pores. It makes your pores blurry and helps you to glide your foundation very smoothly. So for my foundation, I'm using this mattifying extreme foundation from Nude Cosmetics, and I really like the formula of this foundation. This is perfect for oily skins. It gives you a matte and smooth finish, which is great for long-lasting makeup. And I have mixed two shades, 03 and 04, to get my exact shade. Also, they are full coverage, so one layer is enough for your skin. And I prefer blending this with a beauty blender, but if you are hurry, you can always use your flat kabuki brush. Then I'm using this full coverage concealer from Nude Cosmetics, and I'm in the shade 02, and I'm applying very little amount of this because I don't want my concealer to be creased. Now I'm just baking my concealers with a loose powder. Then as my face powder, I'm going to use this Nude Cosmetics, and this is in the shade 02. It's a full coverage powder and gives you a very natural finish. After applying all of the powders, you can spray your face with a setting spray to remove all the excess powderiness. Then I'm bronzing up my skin with this Nude Cosmetics bronzer. As you all know, this is one of my most favorite bronzers. Also, you can contour your skin with it. So let's do the eye makeup now, and at first I'm applying a primer on my eyelid. So for my first shadow, I took this pinkish sort of a color, and I'm applying the shadow all over my crease line and blending it very well. So when you are happy applying the pink shadow, you can go for the next shadow, which is this dark purple color. And I'm applying this color all over my crease and outer crease of my eye. Then I just did a cut crease using some concealers. If you want to see how I do this, then please watch my previous tutorial. And now I'm applying the same dark purple color on my outer V area. You need to blend them very well so that there is no harsh lines. Here I'm just applying a pearl white eyeshadow in a lid area and blending the two eyeshadows very well. Then I'm just applying these colors on my lower lash line. Then I'm using a black kajal on my waterline. So for my eyeliner, I have used this Note Cosmetics Ultra Black Deep Liner, and I'm not doing any wings today. Then I have coated my upper and lower lashes with this Note Cosmetics mascara. Then you need to highlight your inner eye corners with a stark white silver shadow. After putting just a lash, and you are done with the eye makeup look. Going back to my face and applying this beautiful pinky blush, which is also from Note Cosmetics, and the shade is 02. As my highlight, I'm using this champagne color. For lips, I took this Note Cosmetics mattemoist lipstick in the shade Jolly. And yes, this was the video. I really hope you all liked it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends or family or your Facebook or Instagram. And I'm going to see you in my next video. So till then, take care and lots of love.